Hey, I'm Malibu athlete Brian Grubb. No matter what size your rig, getting to the lake is a breeze when you follow a few simple guidelines for safety and etiquette. It all starts with your Malibu trailer and these quick tips. Along with all your water sports equipment, you'll need an appropriately sized U.S. Coast Guard approved life jacket for everyone on board, plus a throwable. Kids under 13 need a PFD that they can wear at all times, so it's a good idea to get one that's comfortable. Check your local and state regulations for additional safety requirements. If your vehicle has a backup camera, you can do this solo, and if not, you're going to want to wait and have a friend help you out. Make sure to have a 2-inch ball, as all Malibu trailers except for the M240 use the 2-inch coupler, and the right ball is essential for a secure tow attachment. Position the coupler about an inch above the vehicle's trailer ball hitch so you've got enough height for the ball to clear the coupler, but not so much that it's hard to judge when you're in the right spot. Whether you're backing up with the vehicle's reverse camera or having a friend give you the signals, remember to take it slow. When the ball is directly under the coupler, put the vehicle in park, set the brake, and lower the trailer onto the trailer ball hitch using the tongue jack. Lock the coupler into place on the ball. Secure your safety chains to the vehicle in an X pattern under the tongue and plug your trailer electronics into the vehicle. Remove the boat's cover unless it's specifically a trailering cover. If your trailer is equipped with transom straps, make sure they are secured to the swimboard brackets on either side of the transom. Remove the chocks or disengage the trailer brakes and you're ready to roll. Before towing your boat, make sure the bimini is booted and stowed away. If you have a Malibu Great Lakes bimini, make sure the bimini is flipped to the back and then booted. If you have an Apex bimini, make sure it's booted and slid back against the tower. The bimini is much more prone to damage if not correctly stowed while in transport. Particularly on right-handed turns, you're going to want to swing much further out so the trailer doesn't clip the curb. Wait for your opportunity and pull out only when it's safe and you can get into the second lane over when making right turns. In most cases, that should give you enough room to turn without hitting the curb. It's always a good idea to drive a little under the speed limit on the highway, and no matter what road you're on, keeping an eye on your blind spots and practice defensive driving will get you to the lake trouble-free. When you need to reverse, everything will be backwards with the trailer. A trick is to put your hand on the bottom of the steering wheel instead of the top. Whatever direction your hand goes, the trailer will follow. The next step is launching your Malibu.